Hey everybody, and welcome back. I'm Rick Fussell and this is the Ingrain Workshop. So today's video is going to be a little different. This is going to actually be a special video. Our channel is approaching 10,000 subscribers. We're currently at about 9,500 and we should get there in the next week or so. So I wanted to put out this quick video as a giveaway video to show you my gratitude and appreciation to all of y'all that have been supporting this channel. And there's many ways that you've supported this channel. You can do it for free by subscribing, liking the videos, sharing the videos, using our affiliate links, and you can also leave us a super thanks or buy us a coffee. We have appreciated all the support that the YouTube family has given this channel, and we want to pay it forward and pay it back. So in this giveaway video, I'm going to be giving away a 1906 Flying Eagle post office box door bank made out of cherry. This is the original post office box door from 1906, so it's 125 years old. The bank was made out of cherry right here at the Ingrain Workshop. All you have to do to enter the giveaway is to simply comment 10,000. Just comment 10,000. You can write it out or just use the numerical number 10,000, and that will enter you in the drawing to win this bank. And then as soon as we reach 10,000 subscribers, I'll print out all the comments, put them in a bowl, and let the supervisor draw the winner. And then once that winner is drawn, I will reply to you, letting you know that you're the winner and giving you my email address, theingrainworkshop@gmail.com. And then you can send me your name and your contact information, your mailing address, and we'll get this shipped out to you as soon as possible. So again, this video is simply to say thank you for all the support that our YouTube family has given this channel. We really appreciate it. We're really looking forward to making more videos and expanding this channel. And our next big benchmark when we get there, we'll give away even an older bank, a more expensive bank. The retail value on this bank is $225. And then the next benchmark, we'll just keep upping the ante and keep giving away nicer and older banks. So again, thank you for all the support that you give this channel. I'm Rick with the Ingrain Workshop. Until next time, have a wonderful day and God bless.
Thank you.